welcome back to my channel. So wake up, happy Sunday everybody. Most likely it'll be Monday now because I'll be posting this on Monday. So hope you guys are enjoying my last few videos, and I'm gonna give you guys another video. And it's not in my schedule actually. According to my schedule, I'm only uploading Wednesdays and Fridays, but they say surprise, I'm uploading another video. So this is my everyday makeup look. So if I'm going out, this is how I do it, depending, well, not always pink, but this is how I will wear it. I don't like wearing falsies all the time, so I'm not wearing any false lashes. This is my own lashes, and I've just done a very glowy, very like bright and sparkly glam. This is how I like to go out, like, well, you can say this is how I do my everyday makeup. I love highlighters, and I'm a lot into blushes right now, so you can see I'm pretty pink today. And also I'm going to show you guys in this video how do I curl my hair with straighteners. So if you want to see how to create this look and how to get this hairstyle, carry on watching this video. And before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for the next video as well. And I shall see you guys next time. Love you all, take care, happy Monday, and have a lovely and fantastic week. Love you all. Bye. Hey my lovelies, so we are going to begin with a Tarte Cosmetics Vitamin C Priming Spray along with Josie Maran's Argan Oil. This is just a base, kind of like a skin prep before we apply any makeup. For the brows, I'm using my Benefit Cosmetics Pro Contour Brow Pen in number 5, and to set my brows in place, I've also used Benefit Cosmetics Brow Gel, and to carve my brows, I'm going to use MAC Cosmetics Prolong Wear Concealer in number NC40. And I'm applying this with a flat brush, just making sure there are if there is anything which needs to be corrected, or if I need to sharpen up anything or hide anything, I can do that all in one go. And I'm using the same concealer as my eye base too. For primer, I'm using Touch and Soul No Pore Primer. This is my current favorite right now, so I'm loving this primer, always going back to the same one. It is super good. For foundation, I'm using my go-to foundation, which is Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer, and my shade is Neutral. I like to go with 2 layers for this foundation. First layer is not too thick, it's pretty thin, and I just blend everything with my beauty blender. And for the second layer, I don't apply the foundation all over. I only apply on the area which needs a little bit more coverage, which usually is around my mouth, and I'm going to blend everything. For the concealer, I'm using Prolong Wear Concealer, and I'm using my beauty blender to blend everything. As I said, I'm going to use MAC Cosmetics Prolong Wear Concealer in number NC40 to conceal my whole face, or to brighten the areas I want to be brightened on my face. I'm not going to do any contour for this particular face, especially the cream one. It's gonna be all gonna be like more of the cream products. I'm just going to use the blush as a contour thing. So and I'm using my beauty blender to blend all my concealer. I love the beauty blender to do these things because I haven't found any good dupe or replacement to beauty blender yet, so I am looking for something, but now, yeah. So for the blush, we're using Natasha Denona blush palette. This is the one with the pink shades, and I'm picking up the cream shade from the palette and applying on my cheeks, and I'm using my Artiste Elite oval brush to do this. This is a perfect brush to apply your cream blush because it gives you a very good precision and everything looks nice and smooth. Now I'm picking up the glow shade from the palette. It's a cream product again, and I'm using a more smaller brush from Artiste, and I'm just applying that on high points of my cheek. I use the same palette for everything, basically, to add the highlight, to add the extra glow, to set my blush with the same color, everything. To set my rest of my face, I'm using RCMA No Color Translucent Powder. I cannot find my footage, but for to set my under eye area, I use It Cosmetics Anti-Aging Skin Translucent Powder. It was my first time using that, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I have to try it again because I have a very dry skin, but let's see. Now I'm just setting up my blush with the same pink shade, a powder version from the palette, and I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Sculpt and Highlight palette to do a little bit of a sculpting on my cheeks. And I'm just picking up the Sculpt shade from the palette. This one, my shade is medium, and I'm using the same one to do my nose contour, to my lip contour, everything. And now I'm picking up the diamond powder from the Natasha Denona palette, and I'm just applying that where I just applied the cream highlighter to give that extra pop. Bear that in mind, this is my everyday glam, like everyday makeup, so I don't like going too much with my everyday makeup. I'm just like more subtle, just have a glow, so my skin looks dewy and healthy. For the lip liner, I'm using Rimmel's lip liner, and this is in shade Romantic. It's really nice baby pinkishy shade, and I'm just applying that all over my lips. And for liquid lipstick, I'm using Maybelline's Matt Liquid lipstick. I will write down the exact shade in the description box below. And I'm just giving that on a good couple of coats on my lips. The only downside about this lipsticks is you have to really prime your lips, really give them a good hydration and primer before you apply them, because this is my third or fourth time using this lipstick, but every time I notice it just cracks after a little while and it doesn't look very nice. For eyeshadow palette, I'm using Zoeva Cosmetics pastel shade palette, and I'm picking up the more of a blush tone, like a skin tone, for my brow highlight, and picking up the light baby pink shade as my transition shade. And I am using a Sigma E40 brush to apply this. I'm going pretty heavy hand on the outer V of my eye, and as I'm going towards the inner corner, I'm just going very light hand, barely touching the brush to my skin. Now I'm picking up this really nice vibrant pink shade from Makeup Geek. It's a single eyeshadow. I will write down the exact shade in the description box to just deepen my outer corner and just give that 3D gradient. And now I'm picking up the yellow shade from the Zoeva Cosmetic palette, and I've just applied that on all over my lid. For the mascara, I'm using Too Faced mascara to give the coat, and I haven't applied false lashes for this look because I barely use false lashes on every day. My lashes are pretty long anyway, so I don't like putting falsies every day. Just giving a good coat of a nice thick mascara is give you pretty much falsy effect. To set everything in place, I'm using my NYX Cosmetics matte skin finish makeup setting spray, and I'm just going to let this go on my skin for a bit, let it dry, and I'm just giving you a quick hair tutorial with this makeup tutorial too. And I'm going to just brush my hair, and I'm going to show you how I curl my hair using straighteners. Basically, I just washed my hair that morning, and I just basically straightened my hair, and now I'm just using my straighteners, and the one I use is from GHT, just to curl my hair. This is not the way I do it. Like, this is like a more of a easy curls and waves. So if I want a tight curls, there's a different technique, and I usually make sure I just keep my curls all tight with the clip on for a while before I just open them and let them go loose. But this is what I like to do, like having a soft waves. It gives you really nice effect if you don't like your hair to be straightened all the time, or you just still want to look like a bit volume and curls and everything. This is a very good technique. So basically, I'm just going to follow the same thing. So I'm doing all of them outwards, and you can see me doing it. I'm just gonna be like finishing off the whole hair in the same way. And that's about it. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of a music on while I'm doing this, because I did try to put as much footage as possible for my hair, so you can see the length and how I'm doing it in different parts on my head as well. But I'm going to put a little bit of a music and I shall be back. Alright guys, so this is the last bit. I just finished doing all my hair, and as you can see, I've just had a change of top, and that's about it. And I hope you guys like this easy tutorial, and if you have any questions, leave them in a comment section below, and I shall see you guys next time. Have a good day, enjoy your life, be happy, bye.